Pacific Northwest Smiles offers top-tier Mill Creek Restorative Dentistry services, focusing on restoring the function and beauty of your smile. From dental crowns and bridges to implants and full mouth reconstruction, their experienced team provides personalized care to rejuvenate your oral health, ensuring long-lasting results and patient comfort. Contact our restorative dentistry today for a consultation. Are you looking for restorative dentistry near me? You can stop looking. You found the Pacific Northwest Smile. What is restorative treatment in dentistry? Restorative treatment in dentistry involves repairing or replacing damaged teeth to restore function and aesthetics. Common procedures include fillings, crowns, bridges, and implants to enhance oral health. What is the best dental restoration? The best dental restoration varies by individual needs, but dental implants are often considered the gold standard for replacing missing teeth due to their durability, functionality, and natural appearance. What is the service area for Mill Creek, Washington Restorative Dentistry's office? Our local restorative dentistry has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Mill Creek, Martha Lake, North Creek, Cathcart, Eastmont, Osborn Corner, Everett, Paine Field Lake Stickney, Picnic Point North Lynnwood, Alderwood Manor, Larch Way, Lynnwood, Mountlake Terrace, Brier, Maltby, Lake Stickney, Fobes Hill, High Bridge, Monroe, Three Lakes, Washington. Where is your office? Mill Creek, Washington Restorative Dentistry located? We are located at 15130 Main Street number 210, Mill Creek, Washington 98012. Our phone number is 425-357-6400. Visit our website, https://pacificnwsmiles.com/.